Now you will only say, children, what we are discussed in previous class. What we discussed in our previous class, children? I mean,
Ma'am, that we learned that
not only
there are
previous
four
class,
properties.
integers, and its properties, What is the first property, Sahit?
Ma'am, Raghav, can I tell?
Raghav, closure.
Ma'am, first one closure, second one commutative, third one associative. Ma'am, and then distributive.
Okay. Closure property, then
Ma'am, commutative property and associative property and distributive property.
Yes, commutative property.
Associative property and distributive property.
Yes, associative property.
Distributive property.
Yes, property and distributive property. Not only this, we have some other more two important points, children. One is additive identity and multiplicative identity of integers. We supposed to discuss that. Yes. Harini is maybe she is which grade? 8th grade, right? Distributive.
No, ma'am. Harini is 7th grade only.
Okay, Harini. I thought 8th grade. Also, one more student is there. Okay. Yes. Different properties we discussed, children, in previous class. Just we will recapitalize all the points once. We will go with further steps. With respect to addition, what are the closure properties satisfied, children? Yes, with respect to addition, closure property is satisfied? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
Now my question, Raghav, subtraction, with respect to subtraction, closure property satisfied?
Yes, ma'am, it's satisfied.
Yes, Srishti, multiplication,
Yes, ma'am.
division.
No, ma'am.
Very good. Now Mahavir, what is the meaning of closure property, Mahavir? Closure property means, what is the meaning of closure property?
Ma'am, closure property means like if we add, subtract, multiply or divide any two integers.
Very good.
And if we get the product as another integer,
the result. Yes, you can say
yes,
result. Good. Result
ma'am,
is,
if the result is an integer, then like the operation is satisfied by the closure property.
very good, very good. Coming to commutative property, Sahit, what is the short form of commutative property, Sahit? I gave for clue also. Commutative property is nothing but what? In this case,
Ma'am, can I tell Raghav? Can I tell?
A, B belongs.
Ma'am, it's order change property. Order change property.
Very good. Order change property. That means A plus B is equal to B plus A minus B is equal to B minus A.
A into B
A into
equals to
B is B minus A. Which is true in this case? Commutative property with respect to addition, is it true?
Yes, ma'am.
With respect to subtraction?
No, ma'am.
Very good. With respect to multiplication?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And ma'am, and again for division, it is not does not hold true.
With respect to division, it is not satisfied. Okay. Now, associative property means, I think the students, Harini, what is associative property, Harini?
Ma'am, grouping property is also called as grouping property.
Association means grouping. Very good. Grouping property. We call it as a grouping. Suppose in this case, we can group any order. Suppose if you take A, B, C, 3 integers, you can group as A, B together, and then you multiply with C. This is one way. Or else you can multiply B and C together. Similarly addition, similarly subtraction, similarly division. Which is true? Ma'am,
for addition and multiplication is true. For subtraction And division is false.
Subtraction?
Ma'am, it
Ma'am,
is
it's
false.
Yes, it is wrong. And division also wrong. Very good. Coming to distributive property, addition and only multiplication. There are addition. Distributive property means again here we are using two operations. Children, you are supposed to remember. Let me give the formula also. Here, distributive property, multiplication over addition. How we are saying that a into b plus c. If you take a into b, yes, a into c.
Ma'am, are you screen sharing?
Yes, I didn't share it.
Oh, okay.
No, ma'am, you're not sharing the screen.
You are unable to see. Oh, sorry, children, I'm not sharing it.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am, you're not sharing.
Hey, what? This much time? What? Why you are simply quietly sitting, children? I'm thinking.
Ma'am, we thought that you were not still sharing the screen.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am, you are just recapitulating the
no.
last
How
session.
many points I wrote on the screen? You just see now.
Okay.
These are the points. Okay. Integers and its properties. In that we are testing different properties, children. Here you just see here a into b minus c. Multiplication over addition, it is true. Multiplication over it is if it is you are taking a into b minus a into c, it is also true, children. We will test like that. There are many bits we have. We can check that part also. Distributive property holds for what and what? Yes, Harini.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, for
Ma'am,
Mahavir,
it holds.
addition and multiplication.
addition.
Ma'am,
it's subtraction.
Subtraction. If
mother and children.
suppose if
Not
you
for
take
subtraction. Ma'am, it does not hold for
it will not
subtraction
hold
and
for
division.
subtraction, children. It will not hold for
Ma'am,
subtraction. It will not hold for
ma'am, like,
division also. Yes.
ma'am, associative property is similar to distributive property, ma'am.
Exactly. Easy for remembrance, children. Associative property, which is very similar to distributive, only two cases are satisfied in that addition and multiplication. The same way in distribution also, we have only addition and multiplication. Sorry, addition and multiplication only satisfied. Rest other two cases are not holds good. These are the brief introductory part about integers and its properties, children. Now we will go to our exercise part. Yes, hope it is clear, children.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. These are the different. Now this is complete table. If you just put in your mind also, you can put, or you can take as together to remembrance on your fingertips also. You make your table in your notebook also. It's fine, because when you are going to 8th grade, you will same thing you will learn for your rational numbers. You are checking for rational numbers. In grade 7, we are checking for integers. In grade 6, we are checking for whole numbers. In grade 8, we are going to check for rational numbers.
Rational numbers.
Yes, no. Very similar concepts. Very similar.
Ma'am, so are we going to do a few sums on this distributive property?
Yes, we will do. Not only distributive property, in all the cases we will check in our exercise sums we have. Mahavir, something you have doubt, Mahavir, anyway?
Ma'am, once can you explain like how subtraction for distributive, like distributive property for subtraction?
Exactly. See, integers means we have positive numbers and negative numbers, right, Mahavir? So suppose 3 into 2 minus, this is taking as a positive only, but negative integer I'm taking. You check it, it is true. That's why it is addition holds for, we are taking multiplication over addition is true, and but not subtraction and division. We will help in the examples you have in our exercise sums also. I will explain in that time. No need to worry, Mahavir.
Yes, ma'am.
We have many bits on that. Whether it is true or not, then in there only I will help you. Let me this part where I supposed to shape. 1 minute, children. Just a minute. This probably I'll update in your
Excuse me, ma'am.
Raghav.
Ma'am, so shall we discuss the additive and multiplicative identity?
Additive and multiplicative.
Multiplicative identity.
Ma'am, it's 0 and 1.
Very good, very good. What is the meaning of additive identity means? If what is the
I
meaning
mean-
of, yes, Raghav, can you if you what is the idea about additive identity and multiplicative identity?
Ma'am, so if we add or multiply any number, we should get the number itself.
Yes. If suppose if you want to multiply with -7 into what number gives 1?
Ma'am, what a one? Ma'am, it's one. No, ma'am. Sorry.
No, wait a minute. Yes, correct only. You are selling absolutely correct. So, multiplicative identity means if you multiply with what number, the result remains the same. The result remains the same. Yes, which what is the multiplicative identity, Mahavir?
1, ma'am.
1. Suppose,
Ma'am,
suppose if you take Harini, if you take 100, 100 multiplied with what number gives 100 only?
Ma'am, 1.
1. Ahna, are you there, ma? Yes, please respond here. Ahna, if you are there, please respond. Okay. It is not coming. I supposed to take that print screen option and I supposed to want to save this part. How I should do, I don't know. I'll save it somewhere on the
Ma'am, you want to take a screenshot?
it print screen I took, ma.
Ma'am, you can do Windows key plus print screen. That will be a screenshot of this.
Windows key and print screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where it saved ultimately?
Ma'am, it will be saved in a separate screenshots folder in that
System.
file. Yes, ma'am, the files.
Okay, that window button and print screen together. Okay.
Ma'am, or you can even like press on the below right side thing and then you'll get something like screen snip, ma'am.
Okay, this is
Ma'am,
I got. Next, children, thing, we'll go with our exercise part. Yeah. Now questions one by one. Let me ask the questions because each and every concept is completed. Come on, children, start taking your books and work on your notebooks.
we should do the first bit, right?
Yes, find exercise 1.3. First one, find each of the following products. The first question goes to Vallabha. I'll just one by one, you're supposed to give the answer and no group answers. If you know directly answers, you put a personal chart for me. If you don't know means you just put
Excuse me, ma'am.
IDK means what, children?
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
I don't know. You put in my personal chart. I will help you, children.
Yes,
Oh. Yes, Srishti. 3 multiplied with -1 by Vallabha. Vallabha, please respond immediately, Vallabha. Vallabha, are you there? Harini?
Yes.
Yes, wait, Harini. Vallabha responding. Vallabha, please respond, Vallabha.
Yes, ma'am.
First bit, 3 multiplied with -1 gives? As I said,
Ma'am.
let me write on the multiplication. If you want to multiply with the negative number with positive number, the result is negative. If positive number multiplied with the negative number, the result is negative. If both are negatives, means the result is positive. The result is positive. If both are positive, means the result is positive. This is the case in multiplication. Now, come on, Vallabha, please. Based on these three multiplied with -1. Come on, pick.
Ma'am, should we do addition?
No, multiplication means what you should do.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
And so the following bits can me and others tell the answers?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, is it 3?
Please put private chat for me when I'm checking everyone who are giving quick answers. I'm seeing.
Ma'am, is it 3?
Yes. Put
Ma'am,
chat.
is it 3?
It's Vallabha.
Ma'am, is it 3?
3 or -3.
-3.
Why it is minus? Because only one is negative. One is no sign, means it is we are taking as positive. Positive into negative gives the result is negative. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Negative.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And now next question goes to. Wait.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, children, because you are there in the concept. When I thought few students are not there. Oh, 11 charts are coming. Come on, children. There are J bits. You work continuously, work and give the answers. I will check one by one. Good. Yes, I got answers from Nikhil, Harini, Raghav, and yes, Anha, Srishti. Come on, children. Come on, quickly. Who will finish fast? Let me check. Jait, what is the second one, Jait? Second one.
Yes, ma'am. The second one answer is -255.
-225. Right.
Ma'am, I think it's yes, ma'am. -225.
Yes. Next one goes to Ahna. Ahna, are you there, ma? Ahna. Any mic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Ahna. There is a number C in C bit -21 multiplied with -30. So since both are negative integer, you are multiplying, right? Since both are negative integer, the result is what? Plus or minus? Is it plus or minus? Result is plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus,
ma'am.
Huh?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you. Ahna. I can hear you, dear.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
have done, ma'am.
Yes, if both are negative integers.
Second bit
Both are negative integers. What is it? Is it plus or minus?
Ma'am, we need to plus.
Yes.
Plus.
The result is plus, but you should multiply 21. It's 630. It's 630. Okay, there are 16 messages. Let me check the students who are.
Ma'am, we need to do second bit also. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah. Okay. The questions start with first one -3. Ahna correct. Nikhil correct. Harini correct. Raghav correct. The second one correct. The third one correct. Fourth one, fifth one correct. Harini correct. Raghav correct. And Ahna correct. Ahna, you are giving minus. Yes, correct. Mahavir correct. Srishti Patel, yes. Yes. Good children. Whatever the messages you are giving is correct. Everything is correct. And yes, Ahna 630 she is giving because she is unable to connect with me. So she gave correct answer in the message box. Nikhil given Nikhil, which bit it is 316 Nikhil?
D bit, ma'am.
D bit. Okay, let me check Nikhil. D bit. Yeah. D bit. Yes. 316. Correct, Nikhil. Come on, continuously work on the sums, children. Very good, children. There are few students, they're giving very fast reply.
Ma'am, I sent all the answers of the first bit.
Very good.
Ma'am, me too. Ma'am, Raghav, me too.
Okay.
I have sent all, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Come on. Try to do all the bits, children.
Ma'am, if we complete the first bit, we need to write the answers for the second bit, right?
Yes, you are supposed to work on the second one. Srishti also given all the answers. Good. Harini 360 and yes, 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 Harini. The remaining bits also correct. Mahavir, Nikhil correct. Yes, correct, children. Whatever till now you are sending is everything correct. Good. I didn't get a single answer from Jait and other two students. Who is that other two students?
Ma'am, actually, I'm in IBIT, ma'am. I have completed almost everything.
Okay. Complete it and send it. No need to worry.
Ma'am, I sent the two answers of the second bit. Are they correct?
Second bit I didn't receive it. Let me check, my dear.
Ma'am, I sent them.
Okay.
Mama, I sent you all the best.
Yes, Vallabha given for minus 241. Which bit, Vallabha, it is? Vallabha.
Yes, ma'am, it's a question
I bit it's
I.
minus 24. Let me check, Vallabha.
Ma'am, did you get my answers?
1 minute, Mahavir. Minus plus minus, very good, minus only. 4, 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. 24. 24. Just a minute. 24, children. Is it correct? Is it correct, Vallabha? Just a minute. Just a minute.
Ma'am,
Just a minute. I will come back, children. ఎందుకు మా బయలుదేరి పైకి కిందకి అవసరం లేదా? అందుకని మీ సౌకర్యంగా ఉంటుంది. నాకు ఏడే సమలేదు.
Mahavir, your mic.
నాకేం శ్రమ లేదు రాధిక, నీకు ఆ సౌకర్యం ఉంటే అంటున్నామ్మా, నేను అదే చెప్పింది. ఒక్క నిమిషం.
Ma'am, everything is completed in first bit.
Yes, children. Let me check. There are answers are given by the students. Let me check that part also. Yes, Sahna is verified as true. Harini, yes, it is true. Good, good, Harini. Yeah, both are correct. Ahna answers minus 33 and minus 317. Minus 33 and minus 317. Which bit, Sahna, it is? Ahna. It is E and D and D. 1 and 2 is Raghav, correct. Both are correct.
Ma'am, for me, ma'am, like for the second bit, 2 questions.
Yes, correct, correct. Mahavir, correct. Already you gave answers. It's correct. And here, where is your answers, Mahavir? You didn't share? Yeah. I checked. Both are correct. Next
Yes.
one.
Can you please show the textbook?
1 minute. 1 minute, Mama. 1 minute. Ahna is giving answers for E and D bits. Let me check. E and D is minus 33 and minus. Oh, where I went. One minute, Nana. Little zoom I will do.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma. Wait a minute. Yes. Yeah, Ahna, you're giving E bit. Ahna, are you there, Ahna? Ahna.
Ma'am, I'm getting disconnected and connected all the time.
Okay. Anyway, no problem. You gave E bit. What is the E bit answer actually you gave?
Yes, ma'am. 2 minutes. I am correcting it right now because I added it instead of multiplying.
Okay, that's why I'm getting doubt. 0 multiplied with any number is? 0 only, Ahna. The complete answer is 0 there.
no, ma'am, it's undefined. 0 divided by any number.
0?
He's
No.
talking about multiplication, right?
Oh, ma'am, multiplication then it's 0.
Mahavir, it's multiplication.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in third bit first question.
Wait, Mahavir, I'll come to you. Definitely, I'll come to you. Wait a minute. Just let me check. There are few students given first bit answers. Let me check that first bit. Harini, minus 1 multiplied with any number is equal to minus 1 multiplied with any number is equal to number itself. Harini, minus 1 multiplied with any number is negative of that number.
Ma'am, like any integer.
Ma'am, is my answer correct? Ma'am,
Suppose, yeah, whatever the sign, if you take a positive integer, it's a minus you're getting. If suppose already minus negative integer is there, means negative minus negative is positive. That's a number equal to, you're giving as answer as number itself. Number itself, it won't come there. But second one is correct. Second one, what you gave is correct. Third one, Raghav, minus A. Yes, minus A, correct. And Mahavir, third bit.
Yes, ma'am, I thought you may get confused, so I wrote it as third bit and writing the answers.
Ahna, E bit correct, Ahna, yours.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, come on, children, please continuously work on the sums and give the answers for me. I'm checking your answers. And meanwhile, I'm doing on the screen also. You can check yourself also.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in third bit first question.
Wait. I'm coming.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in third bit second question.
Ma'am, I have in both the questions.
Okay. Here you check the D bit, Vallabha, minus into minus. Both are negative integers. Negative, if you multiply negative into negative is nothing but positive. Positive 316. Positive 316.
Ma'am, I did not understand the fourth question.
Which one, ma?
Ma'am, the fourth question, starting from minus
Okay, I'll
1
come to you.
into
I'll come to you, ma'am. First bit, there are many students are doing first bit. Just wait a minute, children. I'll help you.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me complete the first bit on the screen. See, children, in E bit, you see 0 multiplied with any number, the result is 0 only. Whatever the number, the result is 0 only. Suppose coming to F bit, you check there are negative. This is first one is negative, this is also negative. Negative multiplied with negative is positive. And you just multiply 12 tens are 110, 120, 132 multiplied with 10. 132 multiplied with 10 means 1320 plus 1320 is F bit. Any doubt means put IDK for me. I have doubt. I will help you. And 9 threes are, you see in G bit, there are two negative integers. So that result is positive. Minus 3 into minus 6 is positive. So 9 multiplied with 18 is 9 multiplied.
Ma'am, 36.
Yes, 9 threes are
27.
27 into 6.
Ma'am. Ma'am, 162.
How much, children?
162.
Yes, 162. 162. Next H bit, you check H bit, there is 3 negatives. 3 negative means odd number of times you are getting, so it is negative result only you are getting. First you keep the sign as negative, then 18 fives are 90, 9 fours are 36.
Ma'am, 360 minus 360, ma'am.
Yes.
0.
Similarly check for this also. Similarly check for this. 6 threes are minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, here also minus into minus plus. So 6 threes
Plus
are 18, 18 twos are
36, ma'am. 36.
very
That's
good.
36.
Next one you check here.
Minus 24.
There
Yes,
are
ma'am. Minus 24.
yes, negative into negative is positive. Positive into negative is negative. Result is negative. 3, 4 threes are 12, 12 twos are 20,
24.
24. Yes,
4.
please check it first bit. If you have any doubt, first bit now only you just please ask me, children. I'll help you. Any doubt in
No,
first
ma'am.
bit?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And coming to the second part, verify the following. By seeing only you can answer, children. Which property it
Yes.
is? First tell that.
Ma'am, distributive property of multiplication over addition.
Very good. Is it a distributive property is holds good for multiplication and addition?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
The answer is 72.
then no need of verifying also. By seeing it seems you can say that
Yes, ma'am.
LHS part is equal to RHS. Both are true.
RHS.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, and the B1 answer is 210.
Yes.
72 for the A1.
Yes. Correct only, ma.
Ma'am, the B1 is 210.
210.
Yes.
Correct. Correct.
Ma'am, I got it as minus 210.
It's
Yes,
negative.
ma'am.
Yes,
No, ma'am.
negative
It's
210.
plus 210.
No.
No,
Plus
ma'am.
210.
It's plus 210.
Plus 210 only,
It's
Jait.
plus.
Plus
Yes, ma'am.
210. Mahavir, it's plus 210. You just check it. Let me help here.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I got it. Like minus into minus is equals to plus.
Yes, there are two operations are there. You're supposed to first minus 4 into minus 4 plus minus 6 together, it's minus 10. Minus 10 into minus 21, it's a plus 210. Yes, hope it is clear.
Ma'am,
Yes. Okay.
ma'am, third bit, first one is minus 9.
Third bit, there are doubts for other students also. And meanwhile, second bit, Ahna and the other students, Satvik, Sahit, completed. Any doubt in second bit?
No. No, ma'am.
Okay, Ahna said no. And where about the remaining students?
Ma'am, can you tell the ma'am, can you tell the answer for second bit A1? I need to check my answer.
Yes, ma'am, third bit and fourth bit IDK. Okay, let me explain on the screen, children. Okay, second bit also I'll help you how it is, children. Second bit also I'll help you because a few students still doing in the first bit only. Second bit it is you take LHS part. What is LHS meaning, children?
Left hand side, ma'am.
Side.
Left
What
hand
is
side.
RHS?
Right hand side.
Right hand side.
Yes.
Side.
In the A bit, you see second A bit